Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can not allow for someone to be able to find you on Telegram by your phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then get into settings and right here tap at privacy and security. Then towards the middle of the screen you can easily find a phone number feature at privacy box of options. Then you can just get into it, and on that step you are able to set who can find you by your number. You can change this option from my contacts to everybody, so you can just select between that two options. So by default all your contacts are able to find you on Telegram using your phone number. And the only way to not allow for someone to be able to find you on Telegram using your phone number is to remove that user from your contacts. So you can get into your contacts and it shows you all of your contacts in that big list. You can use search to search for some specific user, and in that simple way, once you find a person, you can just open up their contact, and on that step, in order to remove that contact, you can hit right here on edit and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find delete contact feature. You can just tap on that and hit on delete contact to remove it from your contacts book. And since now that user wouldn't be able to find you on Telegram using your phone number. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.